All right. Okay, what do you think? Enough?
Yeah, more than enough.
What's the matter? You're not proud of your work?
No, I mean, I know it's for a good cause and all, but it's just kind of hoping to have some fun, this summer.
Fun? You want to have fun? Well, I'm sorry, that's just not allowed. That's
Joey, no!
Little
no.
Oh, excuse me, I'm sorry.
Oh, God.
Hey, guess what we've been up to?
Joey!
I meant the signs. We were really going to get the point across tomorrow. Yeah, it looks like no doubt about it. I mean, come on. Andrew's getting the news. Just think, we're going to be on the nightly news. Just think. What's wrong?
I think I know. You're not going to rally, are you?
You were the one who was pushing for the rally to get going. Now you're just backing off.
I'm not backing off.
So then you're coming with us.
Joey? Car's outside. Let's go home. Everything okay?
Everything's fine, Mr. Buchanan, right?
Right.
What is this?
It's for the rally in March tomorrow to protest what's been going on with Andrew.
And the 3 cops who got suspended. It's open season to anybody who sticks their neck out.
So why stick out yours? It's summertime. It's vacation time, isn't it? Isn't the whole point of a vacation to have some fun?
Well, we have our share, Dad. But come on, we can't turn our backs on Andrew.
This isn't your fight. You're kids. You know, I mean, what do you know about the right to privacy or homosexuality? For Pete's sake, you're just starting to date, to get to know who you are, you know what I mean? Billy?
Excuse me, Mr. Buchanan. If we don't fight for Andrew, who will?
And those 3 cops need us. Now, come on, I mean, if this thing keeps spreading, who's next? A teacher in school? A reporter at the Banner?
Now, hold on
Now, would
just a
you
minute.
fire a reporter if he was accused of being gay and refused to answer?
You know, sometimes things aren't quite as simple as you're making them out to be, Joey. Now, maybe when you're a little older...
When I get older, no principles will matter, right?
You know, before this goes too far, let's just back off, okay?
Now, there's a campaign going on here to destroy someone. A really good guy. And if he goes down, then 3 cops go down, and no one's safe.
Now, listen to me for a minute. If you want to pass out petitions, fine. That's one thing. But when you go to marching and demonstrations, you can wind up in jail. Now, a mark like that that's going to stay with you forever. It can affect your ability to get into a college of your choice. Now, do you want to risk all that for a bunch of homosexuals, people you don't even know?
Dad, what are you trying to do, scare us?
No, I'm trying to get you to open your eyes. There are consequences to these actions. Now, say goodnight to your friends and let's go home. I said let's go home.
I'm not finished here.
Fine. Walk home.
Thanks
Yeah, for what?
for letting me know I'm not the only person in this world with parental problems.
What's the big deal about being on TV?
Wait a minute, Joey,
No,
I think...
no. I want to know why he's all of a sudden got cold feet. Who's the one who got all the signatures? Who's Andrew's biggest fan?
All right, man. So why do I have to prove myself anymore?
You don't. It's your parents, isn't it?
Look, I don't want another fight with him, okay? If they see me on the evening news,
Listen, we don't want to get you in trouble, all right?
then let me do it my way. Look, I'll go the limit for Andrew, but don't ask me to march for some cops I don't even know.
Don't worry about it.
Joey, grab some rags.
We got it.
Billy, you want to help? Come on.
decide if I like being branded. H for homo, maybe G for gay, F for fag, Q for... It's gonna happen sooner or later, isn't it? Do you know how many times my parents have given me these looks? These real deep looks. It's almost like they're saying, what really went on that day with you and Andrew? Guys, what do they think if they see me at that rally tomorrow?
All right. What if they do see you at the rally?
Then they'll start putting one and one together and they'll
But
get...
what if they do? What if they come out and ask you if you're gay? Come on, Billy, you must have thought of it.
Yeah, only about 1,000,000 times.
Then what will you do?
I don't know, okay?
Billy, what Joy's trying to say is, why don't you just come out and tell them? I mean, carrying the secret around inside...
Alana, you have parents who will listen. Parents who listen, Alana. I mean, even Joey, okay, so you're having problems with your dad, but you still have your mom.
Hey, come on, your mom's not an ogre. She's been okay lately.
Okay? She walks around with this terrified look in her eyes. Okay, Joey, she won't even look at me.
Come on, Billy.
Alana, you know my mom and dad. You know how they feel about anybody who's different, who's not one of us. My mom, she calls it sick. My dad calls it perversion. What's gonna happen if they find out they're describing their own son? I can't face it, not yet. I just can't.
Oh, well, looks like we're all set for the march tomorrow.
Yep, nothing can stop us now, as long as we've got somebody behind the scenes coordinating everything.
Yeah. Now, I wonder who we can get.
I don't know.
All right, guys, cut it out. Just go ahead and say it. I'm too scared to march.
Billy Douglas? Mr. Everything is too scared? Come on. Anybody who says that got to answer to me, and that includes you.
Maybe Joey's dad was right about picking the right battles.
Well, yeah, my dad can be smart. Occasionally.
Look, Billy, when you're ready to tell your parents, you'll know. Maybe they'll even be relieved.
Relieved?
Yeah, just like you. No more secrets, no more suspicions.
What are you trying to say, Joey?
Trust yourself. If being on TV in front of all your neighbors is just too much for you, then trust that.
Whatever decision you make, we're behind you.
Feel a little better?
Yeah. Yeah, lots.